every now and again there's a restaurant that you have to go to when you're in that town, whenever you're a traveler like me. And this place for me is Splendora Cafe and Barbecue. Delicious. Alright, back here at the storage unit. Get that put into storage, a couple other things. Sister's already getting ready for Halloween. She's one of these types of people that really love Christmas. Alright, she's my sister and I don't know where she gets it from. Good morning. It is October 26th. It's a Sunday. And I spent the night at the trailer last night, and this morning I woke up and I put some stuff on the truck to take to the storage unit. Alright, I'm in Seguin. Still going west. I got a little bit of shade. Something bright. And had a nice little snack. Now it's time to get on down the road. Alright, let's get out of here. It is November 1st, 2025. We are in this beautiful rest stop near Ozona, Texas. I think it's east of Ozona, Texas. But anyway, great rest stop, and we're getting out of here. Alright, traveling through West Texas. I'm near Bakersfield, and the wind's just howling. So I'm cruising about 60 miles an hour, and I got my RPMs down to a comfortable level. Yeah, I got a 21 mile an hour headwind.